what's up? It's Kristen. These are my reviews. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. And today we have a Stitchfix unboxing for you. So today I have my bundle right here for you guys. And I have my price sheet and my style card. My stylist is still Nikki, so that's awesome. And here's your price sheet, which explains and tells you everything. If I were to keep everything in the box, my total with the discount is $196.50, so that's a good deal. So here is the style card with the items. Okay, so let's start off with the first item. It's this blue top. Really cute, and it looks like it has some type of lace at the bottom and bell sleeves, and it looks like it's off the shoulder. Okay, so the item is the LUQ Juliet Crockett knit top in extra small, and this is $34. Okay, and the next item looks like a romper, and it looks like it has a keyhole in the back. It's a cute pattern, really cute pattern. Looks like it comes to a V, so I don't know, I'm not sure about this. These kind of open up in the center for me. So let's see what this is. This is a Stitchfix exclusive. It's French gray Pippa brush knit romper in size extra small, and it's $58. Okay, the next item looks like a dress, lace off the shoulder dress. It's cute. And let's read what this is. It's another Stitch Fix exclusive, and it is the French gray Georgia off the shoulder lace dress, and that item is $58. So actually this romper was $48 and the dress was $58. Okay. Next item is this off the shoulder yellow top. It's really cute, and it looks like it has like a tie at the end on the sleeve. And let's see what this is called. This is the Paper Moon Larmy off the shoulder top in size yellow, or size extra small, and it's yellow, $44. And the last item are these Liverpool capris. They probably won't be capris on me because I'm short, and these are really stretchy, and these are the Liverpool Jeremy Capri straight leg jean and size 0, $78. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is do a try on for you guys, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so first is this romper. I have a sports bra on, and it cuts really low right here. There isn't any type of like clasp or anything, but it's really cute. It cinches at the waist, and it has keyhole in the back. It's really cute. Hey guys, so here's this dress. It's really cute, but it just doesn't fit me right here, and in the back it's just a little bit too tight. I really don't wear dresses like this. I don't really have anywhere to wear it. It is cute though if I had somewhere to go, but it's just not me. Hey guys, so here's the yellow top. I like the color, it's really cute. It's see-through though. It's pretty. I'm not sure. Okay, so here are the Liverpool capris. They're really tight, and they're just not my style. I like a little bit of distressing here. Okay, so here's the last item in the box. It's really cute off the shoulder top. It's kind of like a high-low in the back. It's really cute. My kids like this, so they told me it's really cute, so I'll probably keep it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is give you guys my final review, so just stay tuned. Okay guys, so what I'm deciding to keeping is this top. It's really comfortable. It doesn't like ride up. I like it a lot, and I think it's only $34, so that's a steal. The total for the box was $262, $65.50 with the buy all 5 discount, which I'm not gonna buy all 5. I really didn't like anything else in the box except this blue top, and the total was $196.50. So thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.